Welcome back to our channel. We were about to embark on the inspiring journey into the decaying on wood furniture. In this video, we will delve into the captivating world of woodcraft, exploring innovative ideas to transform your living space. From rustic charm to modern elegance, modern furniture has the power to breathe life into your home. So without further ado, let's dive into the t-shirt, trove of good furniture, idea that unsurability captured your imagination. Imagination, the nostalgic lore of rustic wood furniture, enjoying your living space. One captivating idea is to repurpose reclaimed wood into stunning coffee table, consoles and shelves. The eco-friendly approach that only showcased a beauty of imperfect but also add character to your space as it is either bunch or transformed into the dining table and repurposed plate turned into cozy seating and rusty eccentric effortlessly bring warm and authenticity of your interior. For those who enjoy the sleek elegance of minimalism, wood furniture offers a myriad of options, clean lines and uncoated design creation and atmosphere of frequently and sponification. Consider floating wooden TV consoles that seamlessly blend with your wall or the Stanjo wooden bookshelves that serve as both storage and art. The harmonious fusion of wood furniture, treasure with minimalist principles elevate your space on the houses of classic wood furniture designs tend to tease men to enjoying beauty of wall carved wooden bed instantly transport your reclaim and comfort. Upper heads are gracefully carved wooden dining set that invites friend and family together and create lasting memory. These timeless pieces with each generation connecting their peers with the representing an enchanting dance style of history into the dynamic world. Multifunctional furniture is necessary both with versatility and durability, provide genius vision, picture, foldable, room driver, that transfer into the decks, grant your privacy and productivity in one seamless motion, even a compact wooden storage. Also may not only decor your space but also serve as extra sitting, embracing such allow you to maximize your living area without compressing and eccentric. Wood furniture become a canvas of artistic experience, inviting vivid design into your home. A leaf edge dining table celebrates the raw beauty of wood, each grand styling a captivating story. Custom curved hedge watch designed wooden panel on bench paint wooden cabinet showcase the fluid Craftsmanship and artistry is one of the prime piece infuse your space with your personality and creativity, making a story your. The world of wood furniture continue to evolve, embracing modern technology innovation. Smart wooden furniture integrate seamlessly with your digital lifestyle. Features speed discharge solution, LED lighting, even hidden compartment in a wall to a vanity mirror with integrated Bluetooth speaker, merging functionality with entertainment. These cutting edges creation refined convenience while retaining the elegance of old nature beauty. As your awareness of environmental responsibility grow, sustainable wood furniture takes center stage, opting for furniture craft aesthetically sought wood. Bamboo not only reduces carbon footprint but also supports responsible forestry practice. Is made from reclaimed wood like vine, bell, coffee table, jackwood sculpture. The beauty of upcycling by choosing sustainable options, you contribute to your planet while touring your home with exquisite craftsmanship. Our exploration becomes to fundamental cornerstone, the choice of both craftsmen through art, meticulous hand-picked next each considering factors like frame pattern, texture, and durability. From the rich warmth of to the understated elegance of maple, every wood chart contributes a unique character to a fine masterpiece. Witness the intricate dance between artisan and material as we fuse together to form a foundation of exponential furniture. Interregnum of design fusion, elegance interwoven with contemporary innovation, diverse how traditional woodworking technique interwoven and woven aesthetic of rich furniture that transcend area will unveil the purpose of harmonizing classic what sleek event culture element, dressing and statement piece that captures and both old world charm and modern lore. Besides the heartbeat of every masterpieces in this segment through venture into the inner spectrum, enter workshop, witness scenes, artisans meticulously shaping, carving and joining wood with unparalleled finance, the symphony of T-cell scales and stars create memorizing nature raw material, transform into the meticulously controlled form. Through their skillful land begin inside with the meticulous craftsmanship that dance with artisan creation. Art of contacting without a trash, a hallmark of furniture, longevity and distinctive with a vicious craftsmanship and low spectrum to technique, motifs and tension, quicker trying seamlessly unit components. Observe the assembly process. Aerography of dedication, dignity and part meet together, create robust structure test and test of time. In this captivating journey through the world of wood furniture, we unveil the symphony of artistic craftsmanship, innovation, defines exquisite pieces from the art schools, selection of wood of the meticulous precise of journey from the innovative finishes to the profound sustainability and thoughts witness the converge to tradition and modernity in the furniture making, ensuring testament to the power of human creativity as you embark on your own furniture. May these insights inspire you to appreciate, accurate, and create wood furniture.